Good evening and welcome to Petersfield. We're at John Searles Fun Fair. Well, we're nearly at John Searles Fun Fair. It's just over there. Now, John Searles is a massive group, massive fun fair, showman, and you never really know what you're going to get. You know, when we went down to Gosport, we had a selection of amazing attractions, from orbiters to gravity to their frog hopper, which they got here, and of course the twist and other things as well. So of course, we don't exactly know what's going to be here, but we can see Music Trip at the Miami, we can see the frog bouncers, we can also see a rather beautiful looking twister down there as well. So yeah, don't know what else is there. It's very difficult to tell. This isn't a massive ground here in Petersfield. We came here earlier on in the year for Burnetts Fair just after I was ill at Easter in Southampton, where I rode the cage, and I really wish I hadn't because it really sent me some. Yeah, so we're back on this ground again, and I didn't even realise John Searles come to this ground, to be honest with you. I literally stumbled across it by accident. They're here for just 2 days, just the weekend, so I'm not expecting it to be massive because it's quite a lot of build up for just the weekend, and as you can tell, back end of the season, we're in October, it's a little busy, to be fair with you. So let's go and see. We'll take you into the fair now, hopefully take you on some rides, show you what it's all about. So we got Showtime here, we also got the Ice Palace on the left here. We've seen Showtime a few times this year. Can't remember where we saw the Ice Palace. I've seen the Ice Palace somewhere this year. Not overly sure where. The ground, look at the ground again. Back end fairs means slippery underfoot. And then you got Steven Sizzler, which I'm a bit surprised to see actually. We saw that in EC not that long ago. It's a beautiful machine, it's only a couple of years old. Beautiful, beautiful machine. Got backward cycle and then a forward cycle. But we're on premium, it's £3 a ride for Petersfield. Seems a lot. A couple of juveniles, some bouncies. So bouncy castle on the left, some more games, some more juvenile rides there, little teacups. And of course you've got Music Trip, which is a Miami ride. That's the lap bar one. It's quite a nice example actually, I really enjoyed that one. These ones we saw in Gosport, and then of course the frog hopper, the bouncer, frog bouncer down the bottom. Which is £3 a ride, £3 premium prices at the back end of the year, but we're going to take you on something. As I said, it is only a little mini vlog today. There's not a lot here, it's not a big ground to be fair with you, and you know, this is a really good one actually, and you usually get a really good cycle on it, so I think we'll give it a watch, then we might give it a go. So there you have it, chose to go on the frog bouncer. As you know, I hate frog bouncers with a passion. This is actually quite a good one though. The boys went on this at the beginning of the year down in Gosport, and they told me I should have gone on it. And I have been on it before, but not for a couple of years. So I thought I would go on it, and I just don't like them. I'm really sorry, nothing against the ride. The ride actually runs really well, it's really quick. It's got some great airtime to it. It's got seatbelts across as well, which is quite handy because it's only a, as you can see, it's only a lap bar one. So yeah, lovely ride, I just don't like them. But I've taken you on board. I've taken you on board for something different. Because again, we've been on board of loads of things this year. Those are things we don't tend to go on board, so something a little bit different. We did the scissor only a couple of weeks ago. Only a couple of weeks ago down in Eastleigh, and no one is at this. I think they were telling a few people that it's not currently open. So no one on the Miami at the moment. And that's pretty much it, that's all that's here. So we wanted to do you a quick kind of like, you know, walk around these local fairs. These are local fairs to us, but it's quite noisy here, so let's start walking back. So John Searles Fun Fair was here for the weekend. I say was here because it's only here for 2 days. There's no chance I'm getting this up on time. And it's come with a couple of its rides and Stephen Sizzler as well, Showtime and Ice Palace down the back. It's a lovely little fair. They do have some quality selection of rides. And yes, I don't like these. I just don't like them. However, it is a great example. It's got some real pace to it. It's got some real bounce, some real high moments. So no complaints whatsoever. We know Stephen Sizzler is a really good one. It's got a reverse cycle on it and then quite a quick forward cycle. But we did undo it a few weeks ago. So to spend £3 on it now, I'm really sorry. I'm kind of saving it now for different rides. So when I arrived here, the different ride, what's the frog hopper? The Miami, we've done as well not that long ago. It's a beautiful Miami. I really do like that Miami. We did that at the beginning of the year down in Gosport, and yeah, it's a stunning Miami. They've got some beautiful rides around. You know, at the moment at the back end of the fairs, it's raining. Now, you know, I can't be riding loads and loads of rides, but I love to come in and soak up the atmosphere of all the rides and attractions. And you know, as it gets darker like it is now, seeing them at night, particularly the Scissor, is absolutely brilliant. So just a short vlog for you, nice POV, couple of off-ride videos. Hope you enjoyed it. My name's Alan, to UK Theme Parks. Remember to like and subscribe. We got some stuff coming over the winter. See you soon.